Riazolin Eye Drops 0.1%. Contains nafazoline. Nafazoline is a decongestant. It belongs to a class of drugs known as sympathomimetic amines. It works by temporarily narrowing the blood vessels in the eye. Uses of nafazoline. Nafazoline is a decongestant used to relieve redness, puffiness, and itchy to watering eyes due to colds, allergies, or eye irritation, smog, swimming, or wearing contact lenses. Note, it is known as a sympathomimetic alpha receptor agonist that works in the eye to decrease congestion. How to use nafazoline 0.1% eye drops. Remove contact lenses before applying the eye drops. Wait at least 10 minutes after using this medication before inserting contact lenses. If you are using another kind of eye medication such as drops or ointments, wait at least 5 minutes before applying other medications. Adults, children over 12 years and the elderly. 1 to 2 drops into the corner of each eye. Do not use more than 4 times daily. Do not take nafazoline if hypersensitivity to nafazoline, you are suffering from glaucoma, serious eye diseases, or who have had previous eye surgery. Side effects of nafazoline. Stinging, redness, widened pupils, or blurred vision may occur. If any of these effects last or get worse, tell your doctor or pharmacist promptly. Thanks for watching.